Okay, so it's supposed to rain about half hour, 45 minutes, hour, or something like that. So my kohlrabi is way past time for repotting, so I'm just going to bring it out here and plant it. Let's see, this is purple kohlrabi. Take it out of here. So I want to plant it in between. I probably put a couple. Sometimes they get bigger, but maybe about that big. I think I can fit a couple here. Let's see here. Put one here. Let's move it over a little bit. Still in frame. There we go. That's better. Okay, my water line. Another purple one. Purple and white. Let's see what else I have. White. White. There's another purple. This one right over here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in that small area. This should be perfect, plenty of room. Let's do another one up here. Trying to decide. Then I'll do it over here. Oh, this one's got a bunch in it. I've got like 4 in this one. I need to break that one apart. Let's see, I got these 4 purple and next are white. So I have eggplants in there too. I'm not ready to plant those. Okay, there's 4 in this one. I'll break it apart. Oh, there's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Move this over. Let's see here. Move these. I can put some here. Let's put one here. Right here. Another one right about here. And I'm gonna put the other one right here. I gotta get some onions out here. Get this weed out of there if I can get that. I keep breaking off. Okay, let's put this right here in the middle. Okay, I just moved across. I was over there, and now I'm moving on this side to plant the white kohlrabi. I don't know if I showed you this. That's what I have here. So we have one, two. Let's see, can you see this over here? No. I hope that's better. Okay, I got number 2 over there. This one has 2, so we'll have to break that apart. Let's see, I'll just put these here, see how many I got. Okay, and the rest are my eggplant, which are not for me, they're for the husband. I do not like eggplant. I've learned to like a lot of things, but not that. Okay, so we have 2 here. Three, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Okay, where's my 2? I'm gonna do this one first. I'll probably do a couple here. I got my the things I've never planted before. Snow peas over there, and I got plenty of room. It's starting to, it's gonna get ready to rain here. Let me put this back here. Actually, go over here further. I just built a sprinkle. I get this in the ground so it gets watered. Put one right here. Animals have tunnels under here. You can feel when you poke it and it goes really deep. Okay, there's 2. Do one here. Got another one. 3. 4. Right here. Ooh, another raindrop. 5. 3 more. Number 6. One right here. number 8. I don't know if you can see this one. Okay, you can. Do that one right here. Okay, got all my kohlrabis out. Yay! Take these back in the house and I'll pot those. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 eggplants. Okay, before the rain starts, we're gonna uppot these eggplant. Let's see, get these two. These are singles. And then this one I have to break in half. Oh, there's 3 in there. I got 3. Okay, I did it right. Break into thirds. 1, 2, 3. Ah. It's my dirt, my soil. Okay, there's 1. Got about another month to go before I can plant these out. I'm in zone 6B, Cincinnati, Ohio. Okay, up part of the eggplant.